Hello everybody. It's a beautiful day here, so I decided, you know what? I am not sitting in the house, I am going out for a walk. A nice little sort of natured area on the edge of the city. There's a sign as you walk into it telling you all about the place, and it said at one time it was just a bog, just an unmanaged piece of land, but they've turned it into this walking trail. It's not long, but it's nice. I like coming down here on a nice day. I haven't been down for a while. Nature's coming alive again. Little bit of water there. I may have to stop the camera a couple of times if I run into people. They might think I'm weird walking along and yapping to myself, but I don't mind. Ah, I say it's quite an open area beyond that, beyond those trees. So how are you all? I'm okay. I've been in town today. I got a couple of things, came home, had some lunch, and then, as I say, I decided, nope, I'm not sitting in the house all day. I'm getting out. Think about it, I left the house, I had a jacket on. It's now in my backpack because it's actually quite warm, strangely for this time of year. So I am not complaining. Now let's go for a wee walk, shall we? See, it kind of opens out over here, right on the edge of the city. It is rather lovely, I have to say. Wee bit of nature practically on my doorstep. So I thought, nope, I'll throw on a pair of boots and off I go. In fact, nice walking boots. You know, the birds. I wonder, can I get him in shot? I don't know how well that'll show up, but there's a magpie up there. Ah, haven't seen one of those for a while. I don't know much about birds, but I do know what a magpie looks like. That's what caught my eye. Not as impressive as that heron in my other video, but nevertheless. So there's the path behind me, and we'll just continue on a wee bit. It goes in a kind of loop. I can see someone coming around the path, so I'm going to stop this for a little bit in a minute. There will be a little cut to another bit. So yeah, it was just a fella walking his dog. He went past, said hello, and kept going, so that was fine. People here are generally quite nice, polite, and friendly that way, I have to say. I'll stop for a minute, swing the camera around, let you see where I am. I say we're right on the edge of the city, so it's peaceful here. There are some houses beyond this bit at the other side, but hopefully they don't spread too far in future. Well, I think this bit will be preserved regardless, whatever happens. So as I say, how have you all been? Anybody done anything interesting they'd like to share, or? I haven't really, but back at work, my first week back at work after my holiday, and it's been alright. But apart from that, I have done very little else. And along the path we go. As I say, I can't believe how warm it is. Don't know what the exact temperature is, but they did say on the weather report last night that in some places it's actually about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius above the seasonal average. Just a pity this weather wasn't like this when I was on my holiday, but well, you can't win them all. There is a road the other side of that fence, so you might hear the odd car going past. Although directly beyond it is a railway line. And if you can see the top of that, that's part of a signal up there. The good thing is, as the weather gets better, I'll be able to get out and about to more places. I'm kind of itching to do that, to be honest. Spring is definitely in the air. Birds are singing. Sun shining through the trees. Oh, little bird hopping about there. It's funny, when I was a child, my parents used to try and get me out and do things like this, and I would protest, like, oh, why do I want to do that? Now I'm older, I like going out to places like this. You change. You change as you get older, that's for sure. Goodness knows I've changed over the years. For the better, I might add. For, for the better, definitely. Follow the path round, it takes us through the trees now. Aye. Looks like they've been felling some trees along here. The last storm we had here did a number on some of them, so I suppose the council guys would have had to come out and deal with them just to keep the path open for safety's sake. I have to admit this is a fairly low energy video, but still, it's enjoyable. Oh, train. Rather nice. ScotRail HST set. Very nice. Little stream there. Just had to stop for a bit. I was speaking to a lady there. She was filming some of the wildlife up the trees, so I told her about the magpie around the other side. She's going to see if she can get it on camera because she says she's never seen one up here. I have, but rare. I think the last one was just outside Forres when I was visiting my parents. It's really nice that we've got this on our doorstep, I must admit. Really nice. I like sharing things like this with you, and I'm glad that you enjoy seeing it. Last time we had a storm was pulled that tree over. Whew. There's been a long shoring up the path though. Must have been a fair powerful storm to knock that down. Goodness me. Ah. So I think on that note I'll end this little video and hope you've enjoyed going for a walk with me. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.